Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn with Oak. Today we're talking about something that makes most teams nervous: how to prepare for an internal audit. The truth is, internal audits don't usually fail because of the audit itself. They fail because of poor preparation. And the good news? Preparation is completely within your control. Does this sound familiar? The audit notice comes in, and suddenly your team is scrambling at the last minute, hunting for missing documents, dealing with outdated records, and feeling unsure about what the auditors are actually looking for. That last-minute rush creates unnecessary stress and avoidable findings. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a clear, step-by-step guide that will help your team prepare confidently, stay organized, and walk into the audit ready to show that your processes are solid. By the end, you'll have a practical system you can use every single time an internal audit comes up. Let's start with the basics. An internal audit is an independent review of your organization's processes, systems, and compliance done from within the company. It checks whether you're actually doing what you say you do in your procedures and policies. It looks at workflows, compliance with standards, and whether your records are accurate and accessible. When done well, internal audits aren't just a checkbox. They're a powerful business tool. They help you spot hidden risks early, improve your processes, ensure you're meeting regulations, and build a stronger, more resilient organization. Here's the exact 7-step preparation process I recommend. Step 1. Understand the scope. Before you do anything else, get crystal clear on what is being audited. Ask, what specific processes, departments, or functions are in scope? What standards or policies apply? ISO, regulatory requirements, or internal guidelines? And who are the key stakeholders and process owners? Clarity on scope prevents surprises and keeps your entire team focused on the right things. Step 2. Review your documentation. Auditors love following the paper trail. Go through all your standard operating procedures, SOPs, policies, and records. Make sure every document is up to date, approved, version controlled, and actually reflects how work is being done. Outdated or incomplete documentation is one of the fastest ways to get findings. Step 3. Check actual compliance. This is the most important and often overlooked step. Ask the tough question: are we actually doing what our documents say we do? Walk the processes in real life. Observe the work. Talk to the people who perform the tasks every day. The gap between written procedures and daily reality is where most audit findings are born. Step 4. Identify gaps early. Don't wait for the auditors to find problems. Hunt for them yourself first. Look for missing records, steps that are consistently skipped, or inconsistencies between what's documented and what actually happens. Finding gaps early gives you time to fix them before they become official findings. Step 5. Organize your evidence. Make life easy for the auditors and for yourself. Map every piece of evidence to the specific audit criteria it supports. Put everything in one well-organized, clearly named central folder. Assign one person as the evidence owner so nothing falls through the cracks. When evidence is easy to find, it creates confidence, even if everything isn't perfect. Step 6. Train and prepare your team. Auditors will talk directly to your people. Make sure everyone knows their role, understands the relevant processes, and can answer questions confidently and honestly. Brief them on what to expect and remind them that clear, truthful answers build trust with auditors. Step 7. Conduct a pre-audit check. Run your own mini audit before the real one. Ask the same questions, review the same evidence, and apply the same level of scrutiny. This dress rehearsal helps you catch anything you missed and dramatically reduces stress on audit day. Now let's talk about common mistakes to avoid. Leaving everything until the last minute. It always shows. Having incomplete or outdated documentation. Failing to brief your team, which leads to inconsistent answers. Trying to hide issues instead of being transparent and showing corrective actions. Auditors respect honesty and proactive improvement far more than perfection. Here's the key takeaway. Audit success isn't about being perfect. It's about being prepared, transparent, and consistent. Show that your organization knows what it's doing, documents it properly, and actually follows through. So tell me in the comments, does your team have a structured way to prepare for internal audits, or do you usually scramble when the notice arrives? Share your biggest challenge or what works for you. Your experience could really help other professionals watching. If this guide gave you practical steps you can start using right away, please hit the like button so more teams can discover it. Subscribe to Learn with Oak and turn on notifications for more practical workplace, process improvement, and career skills delivered every week. You've got this. Start preparing early, stay organized, and turn your next internal audit into a smooth, positive experience.